Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode I will be doing an inspection of my JLT 3.0 black oil separator catch can. I installed this catch can 3,000 miles ago. At the 1,000 mile mark I did do a 1,000 mile inspection and it had caught 1/8 of an ounce of fluid. So as of today I have 3,000 miles, so I'm going to do another inspection and I'm going to install a 3-ounce extension to increase the internal volume to 6 ounces. So let's go ahead and get this inspection underway, and we'll see how much this catch can actually caught. Okay, so here's the JLT 3.0 catch can. Just go ahead and unscrew it. As you can see, it caught quite a bit. Let me go ahead and get out my measuring cup and we'll see how much this catch can actually caught. So here we go. So at the 3,000 miles, it caught 1.5 ounces, which would mean at 6,000 miles, it'll catch 3 ounces. So this catch can is actually doing what it's designed to do. Let's see if any more comes out of here. There we go. I did install the 3-ounce extension, so now total liquid volume in that can has been increased to 6 ounces. So I shouldn't have to check that can, but at every single oil change that I do at 5,000 to 6,000 miles. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the 3,000 mile inspection of my JLT 3.0 catch can. And as you can see, this catch can is actually doing what it's designed to do. My catch can caught 1.5 ounces of blow-by. That would have normally been sent back into the engine to be reused, recycled, and most likely have been burnt onto the backside of the valves. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. And just like all my other videos, there will be some bloopers at the end. So thanks for watching, and just to give you a little heads up, this entire video was filmed with my Kyocera DuraForce Pro 2 cell phone. That was compliments from Kyocera. Thanks Kyocera. And thanks JLT for making an awesome product. And that should be about it. So have a good day, and may the backside of your valves stay clean. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode I will be doing a 3,000 mile inspection of my JLT 3.0 black oil separator catch can. I did a install on this video. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode I will be doing a 3,000 mile inspection of my JLT 3.0 black oil separator catch can. I had installed this catch can. I'm getting out of breath. My catch can caught 1.5 ounces of blow-by. That would have been normally sent back into the engine and potentially, or most likely, had been burnt. Can't get this right, damn it. A video as simple as this. And it's filmed with my phone, and I just still take after take after take, bitch. So that means now there's a fucking airplane flying over. Really? I swear, if it's not yard work, it's a freaking airplane. Now they're leaving, turning around, I don't know. Mother fudgers. Shit. Ah, fuck me, man. Okay, here we go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and may your intake valves have valves. Are they valves? Yeah, they're valves. Pistons. No, they're valves. Backside of the valves. Yeah. So may your backside of the valves stay clean.